blend the beats, Senate stories with the moves of today. Let's dance the afternoon away with the One's Crew. IBC 13 is now on digital TV with the 1206 TV, the AM radio of IBC 13. Smart TV o Digibox at hanapin ang IBC HD. And you got D1 TV. Let it drop. Mas kinaganda ang morning when we celebrate our own blessings. Tara at sama-sama tayong enjoyin ang araw na punong-puno ng pag-asa at saya. Dito lang sa D1 1206 AM, The Future AM Radio, ang bagong radyo ng Pilipinas. Do you ever wonder how compassion meets governance? Join Senator Francis Tolentino for Morning Chill, where legislation meets compassion. Tune in every weekday from 9 to 10 a.m. here on D1 1206 AM, ang radyo ng bagong Pilipinas. Maibabalik pa ba ang kahapon? Dito sa Back to Classics, all hits, 50s to 70s, magbabalik sa inyong mga puso ang ginintoang panahon ng musika ng nakaraan na nagpatawa, nagpaluha, at nagpatibok sa atin noon at magpahanggang sa ngayon. Tara na't manood, makinig, sumayaw, at sabay-sabay nating balik-balikan mga klasikong kantang minahal ng lahat. Back to Classics, all hits, 50s to 70s, where the golden era of music lives on. Only on the one, 1206. Calling all night owls and soul seekers. Listen to the Overthoughts podcast. Podcast every weekday, Monday to Friday, 9 to 10 p.m. as we unravel the complexities of our thoughts, one ponder at a time. Tune in and embrace the journey with your Gen Z hosts, Sam and Joe. Sit back, relax, and get ready to heal your inner child. Only here on the 1206 AM. The future of AM radio. This is DWAM 1206 AM. The future of AM radio. Bringing you the latest hits, breaking news, and timeless classics from yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Where innovation meets tradition and the airwaves come alive. Broadcasting 24/7, redefining the AM radio experience. D1 1206 AM, your station, your future.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Usapang batas ba ang hanap nyo upang sagutin ang inyong mga katanungan? Sagot na kayo ni Attorney Melissa Arnesto at Maan Macapagal. Iba't ibang mga isyu, kahit ano pa yan. Sigurado, ito ay kanilang pag-uusapan.
Dito lang yan sa The Legal Weapon.